Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well and preparing for your interviews well as well. I am Avni from online learning team and I'm currently in my fourth year of BTech. So recently I received offer letters from various MNCs, that is Mindtree, Cognizant, Ecolite, DXC, Infosys, TCS, etc. So I felt like sharing my experience with you all. So starting from my preparation strategies that I follow, the most important key I find is the confidence about what you explain and how you explain to the interviewer regarding your projects, any algorithm approaches, or etc. So as I have seen, many of you people have enough knowledge regarding a particular technology, the computer fundamentals, or you have built in various projects, but not all are selected. As having knowledge is one thing, and how you explain is what basically matters in an interview. So, whenever you are preparing for something, just try to share that knowledge with others, be it your friend or any person, etc. So, whenever you are explaining a topic to the interviewer, try to give it examples with it. Like, whenever you are explaining the OOPS concept, tell about the four pillars of OOPS and then gives example with it as well regarding the encapsulation, abstraction, etc. So, almost every interview is bifurcated into three phases. The first, we need to explain about ourselves. That is the basic question, that is, tell me about yourself. In the second phase, it is the technical round. And in the third, it is an open forum in which we are allowed to ask any question if we have any, right? So, tell me about yourself, which is the first phase, is the game changer, I find, from where we can lead our interview, lead in a way that you can direct your interview or you can frame your interview in a way that you want it. Tell about your projects, your strengths, your internships that you have done, or the skills that you acquired. For example, if you have knowledge about full stack web development, then there are 90% chances they'll start asking you questions regarding to that. So always try to give some keywords so that you can direct your interview that makes you more confident. Secondly, tell them about your project in a way like how your project is useful in the real life scenarios. Tell them it is a team project or an individual one, or how you are contributing to the project if it's a team project. And you should be knowing about every single or minute detail about the project that you are detailing it to the interviewer. Then the next, you have to strong your problem solving skills. As in the data structures part, they can ask you about the searching and the sorting techniques, their time and space complexities, about the data structures, the arrays, that is the array, strings, trees, graphs, linked list, etc. And I would say the most important part is the database, that is the DBMS, and the SQL part, in which they can ask you to write the queries, the subqueries, or they can ask you the basic questions about DBMS, that is joins, indexing, asset properties, transactions, etc. So you can, for all these things, you can visit various websites and refer to the interview archives that are present. And you can just jot down all the points that seems important to you, and you can revise them before the interview so that you get like all the important points beforehand. So if you guys follow this, then definitely you can crack easily any of the MNCs. Also, always do remember in the last, I would say that don't go into the panic zone. That what if you stuck in between or you are not able to answer at that point of time in the interview. Just prepare well and be confident and calm yourself down always. As if it's meant for you, you will get that. And if it's not, then you'll get something better, obviously. So that's it for this video.